of collaboration and communication. Okay. So, what course are you in?
IT.
Ayan, parang pare-pares lang ba kayo? CSN IT. So, graduating?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sigurado kayong nag-graduate kayo?
Sure.
Sino yung mga teachers natin dito? Ayan, palakpakan natin yung mga teachers natin. Hi, sir. Anong pangalan ko?
Clark po.
Clark po.
The Superman.
Okay. Today we're presenting you a new technology that you can, learn for 2 hours. It's about Windows Phone application, how to develop, and how can you maximize the technology. Um, okay, before introducing the speakers for today's session, just to give you a concept of how technology in education is a complement, in the 21st century learning. Okay. When you talk about 21st century education, it's about the inclination of students, teachers, and administrators into technology. Okay. If you are a student, a teacher, or administrator of the school, first, you must have a goal, a clear goal of para saan may technology na to. For example, your telephone. Sino may mga cellphone dito? Wala. Sino may landline dito? Ayan, may mga landline. Ayan, tama yan. No? When you talk about technology, you have to think na ito yung makakabuti, no? At the same time, to benefit the community, to connect everyone, to make everyone in one place as well. Okay. At the same time, when you go out in your institutions, so like in your school, reality, there should be, for me, to share with you 3 attitudes that you have to have before going out the institution. Okay. Number 1 is, of course, you have to get your diploma as a minimum requirement to have a good life after graduation. Okay? So, usapan natin yan, tapusin niyo ang kolehiyo. Parang ayaw nilang matapos. Sinong gustong makatapos ng kolehiyo? Yung mga kalahati lang ang pagtaas ng kamay, 50-50 tayo dyan. Okay. Pangalawa, it's about the technical know-how. Okay. You are expected to come up with a network, something that if you're into hardware or programming, you have to come up with something output beyond the minimal requirement in your classrooms. Okay. That corresponds cost. Third, it's about the linkages. Okay, connection outside the institution. You have to build relationship with your faculty members, educational partners, like for example Microsoft, and fourth one, just to give you a thing that will benefit you is communication. As an IT, everybody's into programming, talking to your computers, right? Talking to your RJ45 and other stuff. So in reality, you have to have all those attitude and requirements in a way to be successful after graduation. And technology is everywhere. If you are a business management major, a finance management major, or other courses as well you are into, IT is one tool that they will be using after graduation. Okay, are we good on that? Okay, so today, just to share with you, Cesar and Daryl will share with you the exciting program on how to develop a Windows Phone application. They are MSP, a Microsoft student partner from UP and from APC. They will gonna, just like you, they're students, but they are doing a lot more beyond the classroom instruction. So without further ado, let me share with you. First, Cesar, to share Windows Phone development. Thank you.
So, ayan. So, good morning everyone. Good morning.
Morning.
Ako sa Ilocano, good morning. Sorry.
Bagabigan.
Sorry.
Name back Bigan.
Lahat, ano nga na lang. Kasi, my father, sa father side actually, he came from Ilocos, sa Taguig. So, yeah, sharing. So, pero hindi ako marunong, hindi ako fluent sa, hindi ako natuto mag-Ilocano. So, anyhow, we're here to share yung we're here to share on yung Windows Phone. So, how many of you have heard of Windows Phone before? Windows Phone? Wala bang nakarinig sa inyo about Windows Phone?